Alright, so we're getting ready to swap out this Ring camera here. I don't know exactly what's wrong with it. And then we also have the new one here, which is also just another Ring camera, but white. So let's go ahead and get started. Hey. Use a goddamn drill to put these in. Sometimes they be tighter than them over here. Right there. You should have like a hook or something here. I guess not. Let's go ahead and test this out before we touch anything.
What, the spotlight? Up here, over top of the left side of the garage? What about it?
Definitely hot. We can do it not hot. Oh, see, one of these wires is maybe connected properly. Okay, just go ahead and turn the power off. Yeah, I might definitely have to turn the light off. Hey, excuse me. I might definitely have to hit the breaker, so you gotta figure out which one is it. Still on. There we go, they're completely off right there. That's good. Yeah, I don't know what the heck going on here with this. Jesus. I don't think this is plugged in. This was loose. This wire here loose. This red one loose. Yeah, I don't know what the heck going on. Definitely have to turn it on. See, I didn't disconnect this one. The only one that's connected is the black and the ground. What the heck happened here? It's like another piece of, I don't even know what the fuck going on. It's just one piece here literally that's cut already. It's sitting on this. Okay. What the heck is this for? I'm gonna have to use a stripper to cut that off. That's crazy. I'm gonna just get the strippers and cut this off. This is great. All right, so hopefully y'all won't see nothing like this, but it look like these wires somehow disconnected, or I don't know, because they're all supposed to be tucked in here in one of these caps, and then these just, I don't know what happened here, but it is what it is. So instead of cutting these off, I'm gonna just instead of uncapping this, I'm just gonna cut it right here. And then I don't know what this is right there. So I'm gonna cut that right there. And then just the ground as well. There we go. All going. I need this cap right here. I'm gonna take this cap off here. If I can't. No, I got more caps. Again, look at this. What the heck? I'm not sure there's something on here. Hey, yo. No. Perfect. It already has a box. That's a good thing. It already has a box. It's all good. It's inside the wall. That's perfect. All right, so now that's the new camera here. Has the screen. See, this one came with the to just hang it on there. So right here, you have this little part right here. You just hang it on there with the mount. It has 3 clean wires. So this one is completely different than that one. Let me show you this one. This one has all these wires right here hooked up or whatnot. And then you can see that crazy. So it had this on the here on the ground, and it also had the same thing on the black here. I don't know what happened here. But let's keep going. Alright, this is the mount. It says up right there. Up, so you can't get it wrong. There's the piece right here too. Basically hook it to while you do what you gotta do. And then I believe here it's another button. Let me see. Okay, now so you'll use this like to attach it directly to the wall. This will be the hole here to directly attach it to the wall if you didn't have a mount, but you will still need a mount no matter what. See what else is in here? Should be some type of... So here I was looking for the QR code, but it's actually behind the camera. I found it, but if you look on the floodlight, it's going to be right behind the camera. Let me see. This one with QR code. Maybe not. Okay. Let's see the QR code here either. Here's his own mount right here. Yeah. So this will be his own little mount right here. So 2 screws to here, boom, boom, and then 1 screw right here. Just for all the different types of setup. And these screws right here, it's basically for different size, like for the mount. Let's say if we had to put it to the wall, or if, like, let me show you that. So basically, so we won't need these. Hold on. Okay, so we need to attach the mount. So, and then these screws right here. Yeah, so these screws right here will be for whatever size the actual mount on the wall is. So whatever size screw goes there should be right here, one of these. But we're gonna use the same old screws that's still pretty good. Okay, let's start installing the mount, which is this one right here. Pretty much just put it on there. Bada boom, bada bing. Just put one on there first. Okay. Second screw. That's it. Perfect. And now the mount. I should have did this part first. Alright, so right here I should already know to put the wires through the top, but I put them through the bottom. So now I'm just, instead of me taking off the mount, I'm just trying to put it up through the top one way or another. So I should have just removed the mount, but it is what it is. I got it done. All the screws up. I'm not to screw the other wires up. That's enough. Now we got it's a 14. Over here. You just need by like that thumb left. It's not too much off of it. You don't need to get crazy with it. That's all you need off of that. Just make sure it's pretty straight. That's good right there. Now we're gonna get the mount, and like I said, we're just gonna basically hook it on there just like that, using this right there. Then we can plug our wires easily. That right on there. That's it. Grab your wires. They got like, they still have like little coverings on there. Just make sure to remove those. And what I like to do, I like to spin every one of them, just so it don't come loose or wires be going everywhere. Just spin them together just like that. your wire caps right here. Damn, put it nice and tight on there. And you'll know it's tight when both of the wires start turning together. And once you got it nice and tight, just tuck it back in there. If you want, you can wrap the wires around. If you want, you can do that first. Got it out the way. Nice and tight up in there. Yeah, sometimes if you don't have the box, this will make the job way harder because it's not actual space in the Ring camera. So having the box is definitely like it's a must. Tuck that one back there too. Then I have these right here to close it off. So it has those two little wires, two little pointy things you guys see up there. That basically you'll just screw this into them right there. If it didn't have the mount, like if it just siding and then the wires coming out of the siding, definitely go get a box and a siding mount just for a cleaner and better installs. Without the mount and all that's gonna be a little bit harder.
Hello.
Hey.
Need your biggest helper.
Yeah, I need you.
What you need help with?
Everything, come on.
Okay.
Sure. It's another side, okay. Why the camera upside down? Okay.
He has his biggest helper, his biggest supporter right here to help. You know.
Came right on time.
I thought you said it was going on the. Oh, I thought it was going on the front and the side. Like, you know. You need help, honey?
I'm about to be done soon.
It feels kind of good. It was getting a little hot in the car, though. But I started coming back.
You can get those on there as tight as you can. If you want, you can tighten it up with a wrench or something, but you really don't have to. Those is nice enough, nice and smooth in there. Boom, boom. Cameras on there, nice and tight. Always remove the film. Don't forget to remove the film. And then this box, the actual Ring box, can only go one way. It has like a thing here that will make it so it can only fit one way. You can't get wrong. All right, so I'm gonna now turn the electric back on. I'm gonna hit the breaker, which is right here, and let's test it out. All right, so it already turned on. Now we have to go in the Ring app, and it's gonna have a download. I'm pretty sure they all have to download first. What we have to do now is add it to the app. So I'm gonna get the Ring app now and get that installed. All right, so it is all done. The customer will be taking care of the rest from here. All they pretty much have to do is connect it to Wi-Fi and follow the steps, and then it has to download. But it does turn on. The camera, as you can see, is blinking, and then the lights were just on. They just turned off. Okay, but we're all done here.